The 2015 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, heated seats, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, trip computer, compass, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, leather. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.